Hi children, welcome to Geography Olympiad class. In our today's class, we are going to learn about the state Goa. It's a very interesting state with so many beaches, wonderful beaches. So now let us see about Goa. The capital of Goa is Panaji and the major cities of Goa are Panaji, Marmugoa, Vasco da Gama, Mapusa and Ponda. The tourist places of Goa are many interesting tourist places are there. So they are Aguada Ford Caves in Khandepur and Arvalem, Arvalem Waterfalls and Dudhsagar Waterfalls, and beaches like the Anjuna, Kolva, Mandram, Candolim, etc. And then the next tourist place is Mayam Lake, then Naval Aviation Museum, next Bondla Wildlife Sanctuaries, Modem National Park, Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary, Kotigoa Wildlife Sanctuaries, Bhagwan Mahavir Wildlife Sanctuaries, Basilica of Bom Jesus, churches and convents of Old Goa, and then Goa State Museum. All these are the very interesting tourist places of Goa. And the location of Goa. Goa lies in the southwest of India in the region known as the Konkan, and it is bounded by the state of Maharashtra to the north and by Karnataka to the east and south, and while the Arabian Sea forms its west coast. The geographical facts. Most of Goa is a part of the coastal country known as the Konkan. Goa's main rivers are the Mandovi, the Zuari, the Terekol, the Chapora, the Kushavati river and the Sal. Regarding the airports and seaports, there is only one seaport. So that is Goa's sole airport is Dabolim International Airport. And the major seaports in Goa which help in export and transportation of products are Marmugoa Port and Donapal Port. So these two ports are very important in Goa. And the principal language of Goa is Konkani and Marathi. The interesting facts of Goa are the National Institute of Oceanography NIO is located in Goa at Donapala. The Portuguese made the city of Panaji the capital of Goa in 1843. After independence, the Indian government requested Portuguese territories to be ceded to India. After their refusal, Goa, Daman and Diu was annexed by a military operation called Operation Vijay on 19th December 1961. Goa along with Daman and Diu combined was a union territory, but on 30th May 1987, Goa was carved out from this territory and made separate state. Daman and Diu continued to remain the union territory. Goa state lies in Konkan region which comes in western part of India. It borders the state of Maharashtra in north and Karnataka in east and south. It is India's smallest state by area and fourth smallest by population. If GDP per capita is taken to account, Goa is the richest state with GDP per capita 2.5 times whole India. Dudhsagar Falls, which has a height of 310 meters, is one of the highest falls of India. It is on the Zuari River. The lush greenery of the nearby Bhagwan Mahavir Sanctuary attracts thousands of visitors during monsoons. The Mormugao Harbour is virtually at the confluence of Mandavi and Zuari rivers. Sansogar is the highest peak of Goa, which lies on Western Ghats. It has an altitude of 1166 meters. Calangute Beach is popular for water sports. Other most popular beaches are Kolva, Kandolim, Baga and Anjuna. Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary is located on Khorao Island of Goa. It is the most important bird sanctuary of India. It is named after Dr. Salim, who was a famous ornithologist. Main festivals of Goa are Carnival, Sigmotsav, Sabado Gado, Beach Bonanza, Konkani Drama Fest, Chavot, Diwali, Christmas, Easter, Shigmo, Dasara, etc. Mando, Dalpod, Dhalo, Dekni, Kumbi, Fado and Fagdi are popular folk dances. Bandhap is a woman dance while Gode Mondi is the dance associated with Reign's victory over Portuguese. The architecture of most old buildings and churches resemble the Portuguese style of tradition and culture. Mangishi temple is the largest temple in Goa, which is famous for Lord Mangesh, which is an incarnation of Lord Shiva. Goa is known for its sound economy and is considered as India's richest state in terms of GDP per capita. The economy of Goa is driven by mainly tourism industry. In terms of GDP per capita, Goa stands first among all other Indian states. That's all about Goa. So Goa is very interesting state and many interesting tourist places, and it is a sea coast. So it's a wonderful place and many people like to visit Goa. Okay, children? Bye. Thank you.